Hey guys, and welcome to Zypher aka Tech Fortitude, and today in this video we're going to see how you can debloat your Android device. And actually, let us say you purchase an Android device and uh, it has a lot of pre-installed software, but we don't even look at it. We don't even use a lot of applications inside that. But often companies used to give you software, even though if you manage to delete a lot of the software, still that will be loaded up in the next security update or next software update which your phone gets, which is pretty annoying, and it holds up a lot of space inside your Android phone. Today we're going to see how you can debloat it, and of course we're not going to look into all the things that other YouTubers have done. I'm going to look into the solutions which I created. So yeah, here we go. So I'm going to use this Redmi 13C Android. So this is running HyperOS, and this guy is loaded up with a lot of bloatwares. Trust me. Let us see what are the apps that we're gonna uninstall. So if we go to the app drawer, we can see we have a plenty of apps. I have some apps which is developed by me because I use this phone a little bit for testing my own applications. So we're not going to disturb that. We'll go and look into the apps which is pretty useless and holding up space in this phone. In this case, we have FM radio, which is useless because who uses FM radio today? So I'm gonna delete that. We have Game Center, which is, yeah, we can delete that. So we're gonna delete Game Center. We have Get Apps, which is Xiaomi's own app store, which is not required. So let's delete that. And we have two messaging apps. So we have Google's Messages app and we have Xiaomi's messaging app. We're gonna delete Xiaomi's messaging app, okay? And of course, I don't need notes. I don't need uh, scanner. Yeah, the security one. I don't need that either. And of course, themes. Maybe themes can be there. It's pretty interesting. So yeah, that's it. So these are the apps that we're gonna delete. So let's get into the process. So first, let's hop on to our computer. So just open up your browser and just go to the GitHub repository in my description. So it will lead you to this GitHub repository called as dev.adb toolkit. So this is the program that I designed especially for debloating and all other stuff. Let me just guide you. And of course, the dissection of this entire program is available on Tech Fortitude. So let's just go and copy this repository and clone this. So terminal, and yeah. So in the terminal, let us just navigate to desktop. Let's make this a bit bigger so it's visible to you. Okay. And now let us just clone this GitHub repository. Okay. So for simplicity, we just rename this folder. So nv to dev doc. Done. So we have dev doc right here. Good. And now let's go to dev doc. Yeah. So we have a bat file for Windows. So this is what we exactly need. But before running this, we need some other things too. We need to have Python installed on your computer. So we need to download Python, and also Python should also be in your path, your system path. If not, you can add it manually. I'll show it in a bit. And then you need ADB platform tools too. So just type Android platform tools and go to the first link and download the latest platform tools for your system. So this program is compatible with all the systems because it is made from Python, not only for Windows. I think very soon I will release the script for Linux and Mac OS, but you can run it as a simple Python script because the Python script is also available in the repository. So in my case, it's Windows. So we're gonna download the tools for Windows. So I have read, yeah. So there we go. So it's downloaded. Now we need to extract this platform tools now, and yeah. So we need to copy this folder right here, and I want to paste it in the local disk itself. So paste it in the local disk. There we go. So now we need to add this to the path. So how we're going to do that? Just go inside the platform tools folder. We have ADB and all the other tools. Just copy this path and go to the start menu and type edit the system variables, and go to environment variables, and in the system variables select path, click on edit, and inside that just click on new and paste this platform tools and click OK, OK and OK. So once you do that, let us open up another terminal, and if we type ADB, we can see ADB is installed. So now we are ready. So now what I'm going to do here is I also have Python installed. So Python, and I also have the Python on my path. So if you didn't have Python in your path, just add it from the system variables itself. And now we are ready to run our script. So just close this terminal. We can simply run it by double clicking on the bat file, which is this one. So let us get started. But before that, we need to plug in our phone to the okay. So we need to plug in our phone to the system, and also we need to enable the USB debugging too. Okay, so yeah. So how do we enable USB debugging? We all know that in Xiaomi phones it is we need to um, click the MIUI version, or in some phones it is build number. But in my case, I already enabled the developer mode and USB debugging, so it's not necessary for me to do it again. So after plugging in, I have already trusted this computer. So if you get a pop-up allow USB debugging, just click on allow. So now if we just run the Windows script, the bat file, just double click on that. So it will create a virtual environment, and it will install the you know yeah. So we get this allow USB debugging option. Just click on OK. Okay, the connection time out. Just rerun the program, and there we go. So we can see it's dev.dog package manager, because I started this project as ADB package manager and then it evolved. I'll explain it in the tech Fortitude. So this is the entire program. So what are we going to do here is we can just go into the package manager mode, because that's what we're going to do now. So package manager mode, we have list all packages, search for a package, uninstall a package, and all the other stuff. So what is a package exactly? So package is nothing but it is a unique identification for every applications here. Let us say you can have you can have multiple applications with the same name, but the thing is what identifies the legit version of the application. So that is what a package does. It has an identification for that particular application, which prevents piracy and a lot of stuff like cloning the application. So how you can find a package name? It's very simple. I have gave an option here. Okay, so if you select that, it's 4, hit enter, you'll get a QR code. Okay, so just scan this QR code and download the package name viewer application from Google Play. So in our mobile phone, let us open the package name viewer. Yeah, there we go. So in this, go to system apps, because we're gonna uninstall system apps. And in the system apps, we can search for get apps, because first let's start with get apps. There we go. So it's mi-pix. Okay, so let's search for the package. So it's 2, and we're gonna search for mi-pix. There we go. So we can see that we have only one package found. So we're going to interact with that package. So let's press 1, which is the identification for that package. And we can see we have 3 options. We have an option to open the app, uninstall the app, and return to the main menu. Let us go to the app drawer, and let us just type 2. We're going to uninstall that, right? So 2, and hit enter. And that will uninstall get apps. Hopefully. There we go. So we have get apps uninstalled. And just like that, we can uninstall FM radio too. So I think we can search for FM radio directly. So FM, yeah, FM, com.miui.fm. So we're gonna interact with the first package first, and we're gonna uninstall that. So let us watch FM radio getting uninstalled. There we go. So we can see we are uninstalling the default applications, which is very annoying. And we the next thing is we're gonna uninstall Game Center, right? So Game Center, we're gonna search for the package game. Let us search for game. We have game drivers. We have play games. I need play games. So yeah, let us press 0 to return to the main menu, and let us go to the package name UR and search for the package Game Center. There we go. GLGM. Search for GLGM. There we go. So this is the Game Center. So yeah, it's 1 and 2 for uninstalling the app. Game Center is uninstalled. There we go. So that is how we do it. And we have some other applications that we can install. Yeah, file manager. I don't need file manager. So let's open package names and search for file manager. File manager, it's file explorer. So to search for the package, explorer, there we go. 1, uninstall the package. That's it. So guys, as you can see, we have uninstalled a lot of default applications which is not required. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this app vault, I don't need app vault too. So let us search for the app vault here. Global MIUI screen. Okay. Search for the package screen. Yeah, wanna interact with the second thing. Uninstall the app. Done. Yeah. So now we can see that app vault is not available, which is this thing. So we can see app vault is not here. So that is how you depload an Android device. So after doing the operations, just click on 6 and 4 to exit the program safely. And after that, you can just disconnect your Android phone, and here we can see it is much more faster and snappy. Hopefully we can see the differences, right? So it's much faster and snappy because we have deleted all the things. I think I forgot it for the security, but I will do it later. So that is how you debloat your Android device. So this program is made by me. You can check it out from the link in description box down below, and as well as I will soon dissect this program in Tech Fortitude. So stay tuned for updates, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And until then, bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Of course, why do I have to ask that? You should do it. It's your duty to do it. Okay. So, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.